Hi guys, so let's pack an order. So umorder siya guys ng 8 Lumo card, 12 sticker, 4 mini notebook, 2 highlighter, 2 sticky note, and 4 ball pen. So let's pack. So of course yung box natin. So malaki na guys yung box para kakasya kasi marami orders niya. Shredding paper. So dito ko na guys nilagay yung bagong shredding paper ko, yung ginawa ko last time. Diba nakita nyo yun? So 8 Lumo cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 Lumo cards. Yan. Pink Venom yun. 12 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 mini notebooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at me close. So, kurumi siya guys. Ang dami. 2 highlighters. 1 and 2. 2 sticky note. 1, 2. 4 ball pen. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ilagay na natin. So, next yung pa-freebies natin, of course. Lagyan na natin guys. Ready? So yun lang guys. Thank you for commenting. Bye!